All hail a beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we are back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Man, it feels good to do that. Listen, it's been a while since I've been consistent on the channel, and it's for good reason, man. It's for good reason. This happens if you've been tuned into this channel since I've started. Then you know, every few years or so, man, we go through this little downward turn, so to speak, where I don't have the ability to release videos, and that's partly my fault. In fact, it's 1000% my fault because I don't do a good job in preparing long term for the channel, man. I'll just be honest. So for you guys out there who do not know, we are in the process of relocating from Chattanooga, Tennessee to Dallas, Texas. All right, so when we started this channel, we were in the Miami area. We relocated to Sarasota, Florida. From Sarasota, Florida, we are in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and from Chattanooga, Tennessee, we are going on our next journey to Dallas, Texas. All right, so with that comes a lot of moves and, you know, back and forth, me traveling in the meantime. And during those times, I just want to come home and be with the family. I'll be gone for a few weeks or so, and I don't get to spend a ton of time with them. But I did get some messages over the past week or so that made me like, okay, I need to make sure that I am solving for both. So I spent a lot of time this time around recording content to make sure that the channel is still functioning, that we are still connecting. But just to let y'all know, man, I'm not like leaving y'all. All right, this is still a family, still B gang all day. And shout out to you if you've been rocking with me. So that is to answer the first question of where have I been? Why have I not been dropping content? And I went on this stage, man. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go in, and I started, and boom, I had to relocate. So, you know, it is what it is in that end. So just so you know, I've been kind of limiting the things that I've been taking in. So some people have been reaching out like, yo, I want to send you something. And I would say, hey, you know, get back to me November, December, you know, maybe next year, because this process takes a while, and, you know, I don't want to delay the process, so to speak, in terms of people sending me stuff and me not getting it out. I just feel like that's the wrong thing to do. But I've also gotten a few questions, and I've gotten these questions like over the years. So I figured like, hey, while we're having like a heart-to-heart, so to speak, let me address them. And I often get questions about other fragrance reviewers, like, hey, like, what do you think about this person? Or what do you think about this person, etc. The reality is this, man, I stay in my own lane, right? So I have a few fragrance reviewers that I would consider myself to be friendly with, cordial with, and some even I would consider to be friends. Some have my personal number, and we talk more so than others, right? But I don't like hate anyone in frag.com, and that's like something like, if you haven't noticed over the years, and maybe as I explain it, you're like, oh, you know what, he's right. It's just not my thing, man. Like I don't like talk about people. Like I don't like go behind your back, anything like that. I just like, I stay in my lane. So the question was like, yo, why do you hate Jeremy Fragrance? Or why don't you talk about Gent Sense? Well, because this is Big Beard Business channel. Like I respect what they're doing. I've had 2 phone conversations with Jeremy, and I think we had a good understanding at that point, and that's it. You know, it is what it is. He's doing his thing, I'm doing mine. And as far as Ashton, man, like I salute what he's doing over there. We've never had a conversation. Like I respect what he's doing. He's a very talented guy, and that's it. So for those of you who've been, it's been more recently, I'm not sure why this is or what the meal is, but like I don't have a dislike or distaste for anyone. I just stay in my lane, man. I do me, I take care of my family, I do my work, and that's it. so that is all, man. In fact, here I was just, again, I'm in the process of moving. I have a additional bottle of Office for Men. All right, and I'm going to give this away. I also owe 2 people a giveaway, again, traveling, etc. So I will make sure I get your stuff out to you. But this is a giveaway of Office for Men. I got this 2019, early 2020. A few bottles of it. It is here, ready to go. Just comment, man, what's going well in your life down below. That's all I need to know, man. 1 week from today, I will select someone and I will get this thing out in the mail to you. That's it, man. I just want to hear positivity, good news, etc. But anything else, man, for those people who've hit me up, and I'm not sure what this trend is or why people, I'm not sure what's going on out there that make people ask this over and over. But in terms of like anyone, I don't hate anyone. I just stay in my lane. I talk to my guys, my homies, my day ones, and that's it, man. You know, I respect everybody out there. I wish you nothing but the best. And again, man, new content coming on the way. All right, I want to make sure that we dive in on this. So salute to you. Again, your opportunity to win Fragrance One's Office for Men. One of the OG bottles, not the original bottle. I think like the second iteration. Not sure if there was a third or fourth, but I know this is not the first one. This is like the second one, so to speak. Fragrance One, made in Germany, Office for Men. 100 ml, 3.4 is going to go to someone, and this is a good news story. Just comment down below, you know, what's going on positive in your world. Stay in your lane, people. Listen, as always, I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that we are back again. And you already know what I need you to do. Just hit the goddamn